Need your profile pic to look sharp and professional? I'll show you how to nail it in just a couple of minutes with some AI magic. Let's go! We are heading over to RenderNet, the link is in the description as always, and there's a bunch of guides on the channel about getting the most out of RenderNet. Let's gear up Studio and in magic mode pick the following styles: iPhone 14 Pro, Nikon Z8, Panasonic Lumix and Sony A7. Then we're off to face lock and upload a snap where your face is clear. The better quality of the original pic, the cooler the results. Then we'll set an aspect ratio of 1:1 and then hit it with this prompt: professional shot profile picture of a bald European man with beard. Crossing arms, confident attitude, business suit, plain pastel blue background, looking at camera. Obviously, you gotta tweak this to match your vibe if you are not a bearded, bald dude like me. This time, let's talk about what we don't want through the negative part of the prompt. And we are going to add the following: slouched, casual attire, poor lighting, logo, CGI. Hit generate and give it a sec until the images are ready. The results? Super realistic and perfect for updating your LinkedIn, avatar, resume, or anywhere you need to look pro. What did you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know if there's a tutorial review or whatever you'd like to see in the future videos. Bye guys!